Hey guys, so recently I was just browsing by and I came across this really super duper interesting concept for people like us, young people, especially millennials in India. This is brought you by ICICI. It's called ICICI Bank Mine. I was really intrigued because I don't think I know anything which is targeted only for the biggest population of India, which is the millennials. It's supposed to be the youngest population in the country. So that's really nice. I think it's the first bank to do so. So I did some research and got to know more about it. It has 360-degree offering for all requirements of millennials, starting from the savings bank, new look mobile banking app, and super easy investment platform built into the mobile banking app, special credit card only for the millennials, and also not only that, special branch only for the millennials. I was really excited about this whole proposition, and I just did the research. Where is this bank opening, the branch, where exactly it's going to be located? And I was really glad to know it's going to be in Namma Uru, Bengaluru. Being a localite Bengaluru boy, I thought I should go check it out. So I planned a trip. This is going to be the right time. Still a millennial, so let me go explore and enjoy all the benefits of the ICICI Bank Mine. So here is my trip.
ICICI Mine branch is located at Manyata Tech Park, which is one of the largest tech parks in Bengaluru. I am totally excited to experience and visit the first experiential mine branch in India for only millennials, and it is located at the first floor of MFA Green Heart building in Manyata Tech Park. It is a totally digital and experience center. It has an ATM and cash deposit machine outside. It looks so quirky and trendy from outside that it doesn't look like a bank space. As I entered the bank, safety precautions are taken like sanitizing hands and temperature checks are done, and wearing of mask is mandatory. The first thing that caught my eyes inside this amazing branch is the Born to Be a Star graphics, and it looks really so nice. I could relate it to it so instantaneously. As a millennial, we are all born to shine like a star, but this is so different and unique for a bank with such a wonderful decor. Mine by ICICI Bank really touched my heart. As I scanned through the full bank at a glance, how amazing, beautiful and thought-provoking the whole branch has been designed, keeping in mind the millennials. Also, it looks so swanky, like a proper super cool office with super cool artworks, doodles, bright colors, tech-enabled solution. That's why it's known as experiential digital-only branch. It doesn't look like a regular bank at all. That's a great initiative by ICICI Bank. The best thing about the branch is it's all digital, and it's not just a bank but an experiential social engagement space. So I started exploring all the features of Mine Bank, and I saw this create your avatar wall, and I just went to it. So it's an interactive display, which is basically the first touch point for a person to get to know ICICI Bank Mine. One can browse through offers, products, RBI notices, apply for products, and even if you're not an ICICI Bank customer, you can use it as well. They offer various services and features that can be done interactively without any human interference. Let's explore some of the features that's available. They have two options called the personal loan and the credit card. It can be opened from here. It's so easy to apply both digitally. So I clicked on the credit card, and we can apply for new credit card with lots of amazing features. So ICICI Bank offers the country's first Flexi Plan credit card to enable ICICI Bank Mine customers to choose a plan every month in order to suit their lifestyle and monthly requirements. They can pick a plan from a boutique of 3 options which is available, such as Starter Free, Pro of 49 and Premium 149 plan. I was exploring all the offers that was available at ICICI Bank Mine customers for various brands. So let's start with some of the notifications and updates that they have, which you get from RBI. So you get all the information you want to know about all the notices, circulars which has been given, how to open a new account. So millennial customers, they can open a new savings account instantly, easily open a savings account completely digitally using Aadhaar and PAN card. The account number and a virtual debit card are instantaneously generated, which can be used by customers immediately to start transacting and make payments online. After trying out all the features, I felt famished. and wanted to have something. This is the first of its kind bank which has its own vending machine, which is for people who want refreshment and they want to enjoy the social space. So it was so easy to use. I just scanned the QR code, made the payment digitally, and voila! I got my wonderful favorite snacks. So I thought, let me just chill out here. I settled by the start table, which is a social space for people to chill and socialize. I connected to the Wi-Fi and did some work as well and enjoyed the snacks too. Meanwhile, I was trying out iMobile New Look app, which has stunning new makeover for the app. The customers can get instant access to the New Look iMobile app, which has a new UI, UX and millennial friendly language. The new version of the iMobile enables millennial customers to save for their goals in a simple way. I've been using this app for years and it's really nice to see something which is very trendy and very hippie. Opposite to the start table is the performance area known as the Mind Live, the event platform that hosts specially curated virtual events in the form of workshops, panel discussions, talent shows on travel, food, health, and entertainment. On the other side is the interactive kiosk with 3 tabs, 2 of which has the same interactive display as we tried earlier, and the third tab is a Digi branch for existing ICICI Bank users, and they can log into their account and bank with ICICI. The Rockstars of Innovation, which is a digital display on the wall which has all the information of various products and offers. Give Wings to Your Ambition section is a place where you can have all your queries can be sorted out and you can interact with the banking personnel who will help you and guide you, and they are also very millennial friendly. You just saw the amazing experience that I had at the ICICI Bank Mind branch. How beautifully and thoughtfully the branch has been designed, keeping in mind the millennials. It's an experiential bank and digital only, and the artwork and doodles were mind blowing. It is a total social engagement space, and it is the first experiential branch for millennials which is opened up at Manyata Tech Park. So please do go and visit the ICICI Bank Mind and enjoy the experience.